Why does this simple cross-shaped kanji mean noon in Japanese? You'll find it hiding in the Japanese words for AM and PM. To see where that meaning comes from, we have to go back to its original shape, a tool used for pounding grain. First, let's look at how the shape of this character has changed over time. It begins in ancient oracle bone script and gradually develops into the modern form we use today. The oldest form comes from oracle bones dating back to the Shang dynasty. It is a simple pictograph of a pestle standing upright, the tool used to pound grain in a mortar. Over time, the rough hand-drawn picture is regularized into a clear cross-like outline. In Ming period transcriptions, this outline appears as a very regular form, closely matching the modern character we use today. So, how did a simple pestle become the symbol for noon? It strikes straight down into the center of the mortar. Ancient writers took that idea of hitting the center and used this character for the center of the day, noon. Today, this character carries the meaning of midday, the middle of the day. This character has two main readings, the onyomi,
go,
and the kunyomi.
uma,
In time-related words, this character takes its onyomi. You can see three common examples.
午前、午後、正午。
Let's look at the kunyomi. In modern Japanese, this reading mostly appears in the 12-animal zodiac in expressions like
馬年、十二支の馬。
These are fairly specialized expressions, but they still show how horse and noon are connected in traditional culture. Now, let's learn how to write this kanji with the correct stroke order. Next, we'll look at some real sentences that use this kanji for time.
今は午前9時です。今は午前9時です。今は午前9時です。
今は午前9時です。
会議は午後3時に始まります。会議は午後3時に始まります。会議は午後3時に始まります。
会議は午後3時に始まります。
普段は午前中は仕事をして、午後は日本語を勉強します。普段は午前中は仕事をして午後は日本語を勉強します。普段は午前中は仕事をして午後は日本語を勉強します。普段は午前中は仕事をして、午後は日本語を勉強します。
普段は午前中は仕事をして、午後は日本語を勉強します。
Finally, here's a quick quiz. Which word fits best in the blank? Pause the video, choose your answer, and write it in the comments. Thanks for watching to the end, and see you in the next lesson.